How to set up PNC Bank Zelle step by step. To set up PNC Bank on Zelle, you first of all have to launch the PNC Mobile application on your device and log into your account. Tap the transfer and pay icon located in the bottom navigation menu. Select the send money with Zelle from the list of options. Tap get started on the Zelle welcome screen. Review and accept the Zelle terms and conditions to proceed. Now you simply have to select and verify your contact identifier. Choose whether to link your mobile phone number or your email address. Once you do this, check your phone text or email box for 6-digit verification code sent by PNC. Type the code back into the app configuration field and click verify. Now you simply have to link your primary checking account and then tap enroll or finish. And this is how you can set up your PNC Bank to Zelle. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.